Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, we will talk about and see how we can install and use the new version of UiHaruX, which is now completely free. And you can see we are at its official GitHub page. You can simply install it using Trollstore. You can also check out this official post by the developer on Twitter that it is now released for free. We are at the same GitHub page and you can see the feature. We will have the app launcher, edge light. You will also have the dynamic island for all of your devices. Yes, on iOS 15, iOS 16 and so on. You will have the shortcuts menu, a snowfall effect, notification history, which will be coming soon, and you will also have multitasking, which is currently in testing. Now let's get back to our device and see how we can install it and use it. Now from there, in releases, let's get the TPUB file to our device. Download. So for this, only Trollstore is required. Jailbreak is not required. So as you can see, I have already installed Trollstore. I will hit the plus button, install the IPA file from here. Select the IPA, then hit install. And you can see I have this on my home screen. Now you can simply open it, and once you have opened it, the product looks like this. You will simply hit start UiHaruX button and you will start seeing the snowfall effect, the edge light, and we have the dynamic island as well. Now simply swipe from the right edge and you can see this button. Simply tap on it, and from there you can configure it or respring, reboot, quit, location, flashlight. You can see the LED controls. You can simply turn on and off the edge light. You can turn off and on the dynamic island or the snowfall effect. If you close it and slide again, you have the option to launch apps right away from the menu. They are easy to launch. Simply swipe and select the app and it will launch for you. You also have the recents right here so that you can quickly select apps and run them. Now for a demo, we have an iOS 15 device. You can see the dynamic island works. When you hit this button, you will see the dynamic island on your iOS 15 devices as well, along with all the other features. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.